Good morning, students. I am Sudarshan sir. I am going to teach you GK. Okay, now let's go into the topic. We are going to see first unit. The name of the unit is a tortoise superstar. We are going to see about a tortoise. That's all, okay? Okay, we'll see. See, this is the tortoise. This tortoise is called, nickname of this tortoise is Tortoise Superstar. It is, they used to refer like that. They used to refer as Tortoise Superstar. We'll see why. New York Times named this tortoise world's famous bachelor. New York Times named this tortoise as world's famous bachelor. This tortoise becomes the worldwide superstar. Why? This is the story of Lonesome George, the famous tortoise. The name of this tortoise is Lonesome George. But it is called as the tortoise superstar. Okay? Okay. Okay. This is the Pinta Island tortoise. This tortoise is found in Pinta Island. This is the Pinta Island tortoise found in the early 20th century. In 1971, a Hungarian biologist accidentally discovered this rare creature tortoise. The species was then taken to the Charles Darwin Foundation. First, it was found in 1971 by a biologist by an Hungarian biologist. Okay. Then it was taken to Charles Darwin Foundation. Okay. The Charles Darwin Foundation declared this is the big tortoise species. This is the largest tortoise. Okay. It declares as this is the largest tortoise species. This was then brought to George. And then he attempted to save this Pinta tortoise. Again, it was brought to George, a biologist named George. Okay, and he then attempted to save this Pinta tortoise. He tried to save it, protect it. After almost 16 years of waiting, the female tortoise laid eggs in 2008. After 16 years, this female tortoise laid eggs, but none resulted in offsprings. It does not birth, it does not born. None resulted in offspring. So all the breeding attempts eventually failed. This was the rarest living creature. In the Guinness World Record. In the Guinness World Record book, it was said it is the rarest living creature. Okay. These are the main things of this tortoise, and this unit deals with this. You just want to know all these things. Take a note on these points. Okay, students. This is what first unit is about. Now we will go to the next unit. Okay. In second unit, we are going to deal with native animals. Native animals. Where the animals are found. That is native animals. See, read that. Given below are the names of some animals. Name the regions in which they are found. Okay, we will find. Koala. First animal, koala. This one. Koala is found in Australia. Okay, down you see the options. And spellings also, if you want, you can refer there. Koala is found in Australia. Okay. Next animal, giant panda. Giant panda is found in South Central China. Third one, Aimer. Aimer is found in Madagascar. Okay. See down, you can find it out. Madagascar. Fourth one, polar bear. Polar bear is found in Arctic Circle. Fifth one, jackal. Jackal is found in Africa, Asia, and southern Europe. Next, musk deer. Musk deer is found in, see, southern Asia, the Himalayas. It is found in southern Asia, the Himalayas. Okay, musk deer. Now, next one, yak. Yak is found in Tibet. Emperor penguin. Emperor penguin is found in Antarctica. We used to know that, right? Antarctica. Fishing cat. This animal is called fishing cat. This is found in Indian subcontinent. Where it is? Yeah, here. Option B. Indian subcontinent. Okay? Okay. Just complete this work on your book. If you want to write something, if you want to write all these things, pause the video, write it, and then skip to the next video. That will be easy for you, right? Okay. We'll go to the next topic. Third topic. Don't go by the name. It means the animals which is shown in these figures are given a nickname, given a name, but actually it is not the variety. I will explain it. I will explain so that you can easily understand. See, first one, the koala bear is not a bear. See, this one is called koala bear. It is called as koala bear, but it is not a bear. What it is then? We'll see down. It is marsupial. It is what? Marsupial. Okay. The koala bear is not a bear. It is marsupial. Okay, like that. Second one, a seahorse. A seahorse. It is called a seahorse, but it is not a horse. It is a fish. It's a type of fish, but it is called seahorse. Since it looks like horse, they called it as seahorse, but it is a fish. The killer whale is not a whale, but dolphin. This one. The killer whale is not a whale. It is a dolphin. The fourth one. The flying fox is not a fox, but a bat. The flying fox is not a bat. The flying fox is not a fox. It's a bat. Okay? Okay. Next one. The American buffalo is not a buffalo, but a bison. The American buffalo, it is not a buffalo. It is a bison. The Komodo dragon is not a dragon, but a lizard. It is a big lizard. But it is called as Komodo dragon. The tufted titmouse. The tufted titmouse is not a mouse, but a bird. The tufted titmouse is not a mouse, but it is a bird. The prairie dog. The prairie dog is not a dog, but actually a rodent. The prairie dog is not a dog, it is a rodent. Okay? Okay. Take these notes, dear students. Once if you want to see clearly, see it. Watch it.